to say I keep a check. She was a bad bad, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby, you're a wreck. Needless to say, I'm keeping a check.
Good morning, everyone. I hope you are all having a fantastic day so far. So my morning starts around 8:30 or 9 when I wake up, and then I will go ahead and just check my phone. I do like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, emails, all that kind of stuff, and then I'll go ahead and hop out of bed and I go to open my windows. First thing, I am so attached to light, but specifically natural light, so I love opening my windows. And then I'll go ahead and just make my bed, so sheets, comforter, add some of my nice decorative pillows that will soon be Christmas themed. Sorry if you're not a Christmas in November person. And then I'll just head into the kitchen to get myself some breakfast. Today I kept it nice and simple with some classic cereal and then almond milk. Other times I'll eat like a gluten-free bagel or gluten-free waffles, something like that. Once I'm finished with breakfast, I will go ahead and make myself a nice hot cup of coffee, sometimes tea, but usually coffee. And so yeah, this is a caramel truffle, which is really, really yummy. It smells so good. And then I will go ahead and add just a tidbit of almond milk, and I'll take that into my room. Sometimes I'll do computer work, but today I was reading a book. This is Tracks by Louise Erdrich. It's for my Native American literature class, and it's a really, really interesting book. So my mom and I had plans. So I just went into the bathroom to wash my face. I just use like a washcloth and hot water, and then I will go ahead and moisturize with my Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer. It's my favorite. I love it. And then I of course brushed my teeth because fresh breath, woohoo. And then for makeup, I kept it pretty simple as I usually do. I just moisturized my lips with my peppermint EOS. It's my absolute favorite. And then I just use like foundation as a concealer, so underneath my eyes, on a few blemishes, my chin, and by my nose. And then I just did a little bit of powder, some bronzer as always to kind of re-wake my face up, and just kind of match my face skin tone with my neck. And then I did some mascara and then a little bit of highlighter, and then I did a little bit of like a pinky lip gloss, and that was it. So then I went ahead and picked out my outfit, which you guys will see it a little bit later, but my jumpsuit and fuzzy coat are both from Vici Dolls. My black long sleeve is from Target, and then my slip-ons are from DSW.
We haven't been the same, you know, since we buried you below on a still winter day. In the plot you picked out so many years ago, when you laid your wife in her grave. Bring me back to autumn.
Alright, so that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun putting it together and finding the good shots and all that kind of stuff. These are just like fun videos for me to make, so I really enjoyed it. Plus, today was just, it's been a good day so far. So be sure to subscribe and also follow me on Instagram. I would say I'm on Instagram a lot more than I am on YouTube, so it's just a good way for us to stay connected and whatnot. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching again, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!